Okay guys, on this one we've got the broken vanity mirror sitting on top of this mirror chest of drawers, believe it or not, with all the cloth in front of it. Just home in a bit and you'll see it. This is the mirror here. It's broken, fell behind and smashed, bits fell out of it. And if I just take it down and give you another look, I'll put it on the floor this time. You can see here, like I said, bits missing out of it. If you have a look around the back there. So I bought another one from Donnell for 20 quid. And there's the mirror there. It's just a matter of fitting it. Just doing the measurements here. And then drilling it. And now that I've drilled a hole, just got to insert a wall plug and then the screw. Got to do this on the other side as well. I've just got to screw it into the wall here. Now I've just got to remove this wrapping. And yeah, I'll show you the mounting brackets under the tape here. You mount this mirror portrait or landscape. I set the bracket there, just hooks over the nail what I drilled and put in the wall. The screw, sorry. And that's the screw, just hook it over there. And that's the mirror pretty much fitted. Now I'm going to remove the mirror, and I bought these vanity lights off the internet, 10 lamps, just touch button, 12 volts, press touch button, hold the button down and it goes brighter and dimmer. So now all I've got to do is, there's 10 lamps, just got to, they come with this double-sided sticky to hold the lamps, and I've just got to space them out evenly. Here you can see me just sticking down the lamps onto the double-sided sticky. And that's all the lights done. What I'm going to do now is staple the wires to the back of the mirror. They're designed to wrap around the lights in themselves. I'll just set my stapler to minimum pressure. You can sellotape or super glue them on. I've decided to staple them on. I'm stapling between the wires so this won't short it. They're only 12 volts anyway. And there you can see it's all complete. And if I just show you the complete mirror in situ, I bought a stool, as you can see there as well. Cleared all the excess from the front. There's the stool I bought, little vanity stool. I'll just show you, if with the lights, if you hold your finger on the button, it'll go brighter or dimmer, and whatever you press it on or off, it'll return to the last state, whether it's brighter or darker. And here I'll just give you a look at before and after. And that concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.